Hello everyone, good evening my friends. My name is Muhammad Asyraf and I am happy to be standing here today as the president of SMK Segombak Reading Club. Thank you so much everyone for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in this reading club. I joined this club since Form 1. I wanted a platform where I am able to improve my skills. These past 3 years, I'll not only improve my skills, I also made great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I would like to thank my mentor, Teacher Halim, for giving tips and teaching me about reading. I would like to thank my schoolmates for their encouragement. I would also like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I'll not be able to go this far. For our new members, we have a lot of benefits. They are a welcome pack with stationeries and a bookmark, 20% discount for the first 3 books at our reading school bookshop. And access to more than 2,000 ebooks at our library. What am I going to do? I will be serving as president for 1 year. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are the few things which I will carry out in my plans. First is to improve our library's interior and atmosphere. Second is to add more exciting events. And third is to discover more books together. I will not be able to do this by myself. That is why I need all of you. Together makes the dream work. Thank you so much, everyone.